Hello everyone, this is Leslie Stencil, CEO of Niyato Industries. Now after traveling over 250,000 miles in the air and about 20,000 miles of meetings with the industry leaders in the Niyato Industries N150, to find out what their needs truly are, the following video was filmed by me personally. This is Niyato Industries' Upland, California first conversion facility located at 825 North Central Avenue, Upland, California, where we started and completed our first conversion contract of the 2015 Chevy Silverado HD 3500 late 2014 through 2015. The trucks were the first ever to get CARB certification, which was done by others. Niyato engineered all bracketry to make it possible for the saddle mount tanks and tank brackets to be married to the chassis. We designed and built the shields and did all the finished paint work. We engineered all positioning for all the high and low pressure components. The tanks and the low pressure kits were provided by others. These vehicles were completely upfitted by Niyato Industries, and one of the vehicles was sent out to the lab and received CARB approval. At long last, the F350 truck and tri-fuel system is ready to be tested. Niyato Industries is thrilled to announce its own development vehicle, the first ever tri-fuel system for the 6.2-liter Ford F250 and F350 platform, with 3 fuel capabilities: gasoline, or CNG, which is methane, or LPG, which is propane. The Niyato product line is almost ready to hit the open road. The state-of-the-art all-in-one system will include everything a fleet operator will need for a complete conversion right in one package, including tanks, eliminating the hassle for upcharges for additional parts. Niyato's branded tri-fuel system mounted on the F350 4x4 truck recently finished undergoing rigorous testing by Keith Thompson, head of Niyato Industries' calibration and system design team. Niyato has taken every step of preparation, testing, and caution for you, the fleet operator, to rest 100% assured this turnkey tri-fuel system is ready for operation once installed on your vehicle. We've dotted every I and crossed every T down to the last detail of our revolutionary new tri-fuel system to assure customer satisfaction and spectacular performance. And good news, this game-changing system itself has passed each test, including the hauling of heavy equipment. We've coined this system to be the Clydesdale of workhorses. The next step will be to take the truck for final certification for CARB and EPA approval, and will cover all weight configurations for the F250 and F350 6.2-liter engines from 2012 through 2016. After that, we will go into production. We want to thank all of our mentors and investors and all the fleet-related magazines for believing in us. Please enjoy the following video.
What you're doing here is you're loading that Mini X, which is about 13,200 pounds, on the back of that 15-ton trailer, hooked to the Niyato tri-fuel system, the only tri-fuel system in the United States that runs all 3 fuels: gas, propane, and natural gas. The only difference between the propane is a different vaporizer and different set of tanks. All applications come in the system that we provide for any wheelbase length, any cab configuration as well, for that matter.
Except mine doesn't have I don't have a full cab, I have an extended
cab.
See how this thing works. It's got something back there for sure, doesn't it?
Same motor and everything, right?
6.2.
And what year's your 250?
11.
2011. How many miles are on her?
165.
165,000 miles. Still running strong?
Yep.
That's a testament to Ford's strength, isn't it? You know, when you're getting on the on-ramp or whatever, and you see what the acceleration looks like in natural gas compared to, you know, what you're experiencing, I guess, so far at this point is exactly how your truck runs, right?
Pretty much.
You know, the bad.
So what do you do to kick it up?
Go ahead and just push the button.
Push it one time?
Yeah, one time.
So what does this mean? It shut off gas now?
Gas shut off as soon as all those lights lit up.
Really?
Yeah, they all lit up?
Yes.
Go ahead, give it some. What we're looking for is if it's going to sputter and spark, you know, spark knock and all that shit, which it shouldn't. And you've run down this stretch of highway how many times? Pulling the same load?
Too many.
Give me an idea.
An idea?
Yeah, give me an idea how many times you've done it.
In the last year, probably at least 50, 60 times. Unless
50, 60 times. So you got a pretty good idea what a truck not running on natural gas should be like.
right.
This is the real McCoy, right?
This is.
How does it feel so far? It's done the slight inclines, just
Yeah, I hadn't been able to tell the difference in switching over.
can't tell the difference, can you?
I think even when we were switching over, it was running about 3,500 grams, and it didn't move.
It stayed right
It
there.
stayed right where it was.
Well, with all the other systems that are produced today, and the reason why we spent all the money on the development side so we could have a finished product, that when it went out to fleet use, that it would run exactly the same as gasoline is on natural gas. Everybody else releases them. They don't put trailers behind them. They don't test them. They don't do what we're doing.
Right.
And that's important, I would think, to the fleet industry, especially for somebody like you trying to get from A to B. You want something that not only is going to be dependable, but, you know, something that can get up and get the job done.
It does.
Listen to that motor purring. She ain't even missed a leak. Ain't even backfired once, has she? Listen to her. Oh yeah. Give her hell.
She's going.
Give her to the floor. She says, not yet, not yet, not yet.
She's almost redlined.
Not even a leg. She ain't reached the speed she needs to change. Any heat coming up on her? No?
Nope.
It's about the same load, same way, same position, everything the same. Well, I guess our Chief Technology Officer did his job, didn't he?
Did a good job. Yeah, I can't tell any lag on anything.
Real responsive, too. So what do you think? Nice little hill?
That was a good hill right there.
Yeah. It was about
Worked
6% grade, would you say?
At least.
At least. Worked out or did its job?
It was accelerating up the hill.
Accelerating up the hill.
My boys are going to be so happy with this truck that they're going to find out. Because I told them, they said, well, nobody ever does that. The status quo is that we just finish it and call it good. I said, that is not good enough for me. Would you release it if your name was on it? What if it didn't have pulled the loads?
Oh, if you didn't go through the paces, I wouldn't. I think you're wasting your time. Now, how do we switch back to gas?
Just push the button and it'll be back in gas. Pretty easy switching, isn't it?
Yeah. It's almost identical.
This is a historic day. This is December 27th, 2014, and I'm in this beautiful Silverado pickup following 3 brand new 2015 Silverados, cabin chassis, which are going to our new shop in Upland, California for conversions. We're going to be upfitting them with 20 GGE tanks over the next 2 weeks, and we've been working now on this project for 2 years, and finally we landed a contract for about $100,000 to get these trucks completed.
Dulu,